Attention HVAC professionals. Are you struggling with unpaid customer invoices? Here are reasons why partnering with a third-party debt collection agency can benefit your business. Maintain healthy cash flow for seasonal business. HVAC businesses often experience seasonal fluctuations, with high demand in summer and winter and slower periods in spring and fall. This seasonality can significantly impact cash flow, making it challenging to cover ongoing expenses during off-peak times. Efficient debt recovery by a third-party agency ensures a more consistent cash flow, providing financial stability throughout the year. This stable income stream allows you to manage operational costs, invest in new equipment, and plan for growth even during the slower months, ensuring your business remains robust and resilient. Follow us for more at pointcreditsolutions.com.